Thank you so much for the invitation and for allowing me to come join you on your New Year's celebration. And we are very excited to have this special signing today as well. I want to acknowledge a few people that have joined us today. We have representatives from across our city, which is exciting, but across the state as well from the Cambodian community. We also have at least one city council member, Dan Doring, here in the front, serves on your city council. Yes, thank you, and his wife are here. We have several members from our sister city, our International Relations Committee, Joanne and Ashok and others. So we thank you for allowing us to join you. We also want to thank our friends from the Bang Mam province and acknowledge the Sister Cities International group for helping us make this a reality. And I want you to know that it was from coming to these events and meeting your ambassador that his request of the governor's office and the Minnesota Asian Pacific Association up in the Twin Cities, it was through those relationships that we decided to move ahead and create a sister city relationship in Cambodia. We want to help build relationships across borders and cultures. And I think in today's world, creating and maintaining local international relationships is even more important than ever. Cities are where people come together to share ideas, solve problems, build friendships that reach far beyond national lines. That's why Rochester is proud to be part of the Sister Cities International Network, an organization that is rooted in peace, respect, and cooperation. Rochester has deep and meaningful connections to Cambodia. While we weren't the first city in America to welcome Cambodian refugees, we were, as I understand, the first in Minnesota to do so. We were among the early communities to open our arms in the wake of the Cambodian genocide. Thanks to the efforts of local churches, nonprofit organizations, and caring residents, Rochester became a new home for many, some in this room, I am sure, who were forced to flee their homes. Today, we take another important step forward in the relationships that we have by signing a sister city agreement with Bang Mam province in Cambodia. This agreement is called a Memorandum of Understanding, and it's really more than just a formal document. It's a promise to grow together, to learn from each other, to build lasting connections between our communities and countries. Through this partnership, we can support student exchanges, cultural events, language learning opportunities. We'll explore business partnerships and trade missions, tourism development, and we'll share ideas around environmental sustainability, city planning, and smart technology. But most importantly, we'll create friendships rooted in mutual respect and shared values. This work matters. It shows that even in a complex world, communities like ours can lead with openness and kindness and curiosity. We're not just building policy, we're building people-to-people relationships that will shape our future. I want to thank those of you who have helped make this relationship possible. I want to specifically thank Cynthia Neff for her help and for helping me with this beautiful dress. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And the Asian Pacific Council for their work in making this possible. And we're going to need all of you to help create a sister city relationship that can span the globe. So I hope you'll join us in the future that we're building together with this sister city relationship, and we can sign the Memorandum of understanding, which I believe is at the table. Oh, good luck. Okay, we're going to try interpreting for some.
Thank you, Mayor. ខ្ញុំកណ្ដាខ្ញុំបាទឈ្មោះអិនសុគន្ធជាអ្នកគ្រប់គ្រងពុទ្ធសាសនានៅទីនេះហើយសូមក្រាបថ្វាយប្រគេនព្រះសង្ឃគ្រប់ព្រះអង្គនៅទីនេះហើយក៏ដូចជាពុទ្ធបរិស័ទតារាយាយបងប្អូនទាំងអស់បាទហើយអ្វីដែលលោកស្រី Norton គាត់ជាអភិបាលក្រុង Rochester បានប្រកាសហើយជាភាសាអង់គ្លេសបងប្អូនខ្លះក៏យល់បានក៏យល់មិនបានប៉ុន្តែខ្ញុំសូមសង្ខេបបាទសង្ខេបបន្តិចដើម្បីឲ្យបងប្អូនយល់ទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទកាលពីឆ្នាំទៅខែ1យើងខ្ញុំបានទៅជួបជាមួយ Governor Tim Walz at his នៅក្នុងការិយាល័យរបស់គាត់ហើយក៏ស្នើសុំឲ្យមានអ្នកដំណងរវាងរដ្ឋនីស្តាយើងនឹងជាមួយនឹងស្រុកខ្មែរយើងបាទចាប់ដៃគូគ្នាសហការទៅលើគ្រប់វិស័យទាំងអស់តែគាត់បានជម្រាបជូនហើយខ្ញុំនឹងអានជាសង្ខេបបន្តិចជូនបាទហើយក្រោយមកនោះក៏យើងបានធ្វើការរហូតមកដល់ថ្ងៃនេះគឺ1ឆ្នាំបាទ1ឆ្នាំ3ខែហើយយើងបានសម្រេចលទ្ធផលបានប៉ុណ្ណេះដូច្នេះអ្វីដែលលោកស្រីបានជំរាបជូនគឺសហការប្រតិបត្តិការគ្រប់វិស័យបាទជាមួយក្រុង Rochester ជាមួយនឹងខេត្តត្បូងឃ្មុំរបស់យើងអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូននៅទីនេះដែលមានស្រុកកំណើតនៅខេត្តត្បូងឃ្មុំគឺបងប្អូននឹងសប្បាយចិត្តហើយត្រេកអរទាំងអស់គ្នាគាំទ្រទាំងអស់គ្នាហើយជាពិសេសគឺការចងក្រងអ្នកដែលមានការអប់រំដែលមានការផ្នែកខាង business ឬមានអាជីវកម្មយើងគឺចងក្រងគ្នាដើម្បីឲ្យខ្លាំងហើយយើងសហការគ្នាជាមួយក្រុង Rochester នឹងជាមួយនឹងខេត្តត្បូងឃ្មុំហើយទៅលើវិស័យទាំង5ដែលខ្ញុំនឹងអានគឺទី1គឺការផ្លាស់ប្ដូរវប្បធម៌និងការអប់រំ2ការអភិវឌ្ឍសេដ្ឋកិច្ចនិងពាណិជ្ជកម្ម3គំនិតដូចដើមនិរន្តរភាពបរិស្ថានបានន័យថាបំរែបំរួលអាកាសធាតុដែលយើងឃើញរាល់ថ្ងៃមានក្តៅមានត្រជាក់លឿនបាទអញ្ចឹងហើយទី4ការផ្សព្វផ្សាយទេសចរណ៍ហើយទី5គឺកិច្ចសហប្រតិបត្តិក្រុងបច្ចេកវិទ្យាបានន័យថាស្រុកយើងត្រូវការលម្អច្រើនត្រូវការបច្ចេកទេសច្រើនដើម្បីភាពរីកចម្រើនរបស់យើងត្រូវការក្រុង Rochester ទៅជួយស្រុកខ្មែរយើងចង់បានទេបងប្អូនបាទយើងចង់បានស្រុកយើងរីកចម្រើនចង់បានបងប្អូនយើងនៅនោះមានជីវភាពទូធាអ្វីដែលយើងចង់បានយូរហើយឥឡូវនេះយើងកើតហើយបាទយើងត្រូវរួបរวมគ្នាបាទសាមគ្គីគ្នាបាទហើយខ្ញុំសូមទោស6ចំណុចបាទទី6គឺតំបន់ដែលមានប្រយោជន៍ទៅវិញទៅមកបានន័យថាMOU នេះគឺមានន័យថាMemorandum of Understanding បានន័យថាអនុសារណៈយោគយល់គ្នាហើយពាក្យថា Sister City ដែលស្រីបានជំរាបជូនគឺមានន័យថាបើបកជាខ្មែរបច្ចេកទេសគេហៅថាសម្ព័ន្ធមេត្រីភាពក្រុងបាទក្រុង2ដូចជាគ្រួសារប្រពន្ធអញ្ចឹងបាទអានឹងគេសហការគ្នារកស៊ីមួយគ្នាធ្វើកិច្ចការមួយគ្នារកផលប្រយោជន៍រៀងខ្លួនតើខាង Rochester ចង់បានប្រយោជន៍អ្វីខាងស្រុកខ្មែរចង់បានប្រយោជន៍អ្វីពី Rochester ហ្នឹងនេះជាបញ្ហាហើយវាជាឱកាសល្អសម្រាប់បងប្អូនខ្មែរយើងទាំងនៅទីនេះទាំងនៅក្នុងស្រុកខ្មែរយើងជាពិសេសខេត្តត្បូងឃ្មុំខ្ញុំសូមលើកដៃអ្នកខេត្តត្បូងឃ្មុំមានទេកំពង់ចាមត្បូងឃ្មុំបាទអញ្ចឹងបាទអញ្ចឹងសូមអរគុណយើងជូនប៉ុណ្ណឹងហើយកិច្ចបន្ទាប់ហើយពួកខ្ញុំនឹងសាញ MOU ហ្នឹងដើម្បីបើកផ្លូវឲ្យពួកក្រុមការងារយើងខ្ញុំហ្នឹងទំនាក់ទំនងធ្វើការជាមួយស្រុកខ្មែរហើយអ្នកស្រុកខ្មែរគាត់នឹងឡើងចុះពិភាក្សាគ្នារកហៅថាចំណុចល្អយើងធ្វើកិច្ចការមួយគ្នាបាទសូមអរគុណសូមអរគុណ
Well, I just want to thank you for allowing us to interrupt your wonderful celebration with this really exciting opportunity. And I'm so glad there's some people from the area that are here. And I'm so excited to work with the Cambodian community. You're so quiet out there in Rochester, and it's so exciting to come here and see the robust, wonderful community that you have going, and I truly enjoy my visits out here. Thank you so much.
Thank you.